Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Love Charms World. How are you guys doing today? So let me turn the AC down. So today I'm gonna run a few errands. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I'm not sure if this is gonna be a long vlog or not, but let's see where this takes us. So today I was supposed to vlog today, but I didn't get the chance to vlog because it was like a quick thing, because I started a business called Love Charms, and I sell beautiful statement piece bags for women. And I went to the post office today to deliver it, and then some packages, and then now I'm gonna do a drop off. And I also drop off in Queens and Brooklyn. Bronx is a little far, Brooklyn is far too, and I also ship worldwide. Okay, so you could definitely shop with me. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Anyways, let's get on with this video. How are you guys feeling today? I'm really trying to be more active on my channel. I know I've always said that. You're like, yo girl, like you always say that and then disappear. I know, but sometimes I'm like busy, especially with work and stuff. So hopefully I get to vlog tomorrow, because I want to go work. I start working out at the park, and hopefully the rain ease up a little bit so that I could vlog for you guys and show you guys what I do during this quarantine. Also, I just wanted to see how are you guys doing during this time. I know I ask this question like a lot, but you know, I have to check in and see, because for a lot of people, they're not used to this, and some people are going through a little anxiety, and some people are feeling a little depressed because of what's going on. And I just want you to know that you're not alone, and if you have somebody you could call and talk to, just, you know, call a friend and speak to them, or, you know, comment down below or send me an email, and if you need someone to speak to during this time, you know what I mean? And also, if you have anxiety and fear of going outside, Uber, well, it's more like 311 within the US. They have this thing where they have Uber deliver deliver packages to you, care packages to you guys if you're scared to go outside. And you can also order it for your family member and everything who's scared to go outside. And I will link it down below, and just to help you guys out. Anyways, let's get on with this video. I'm going to drop off a package to my friend. Thank you, Nadia, for supporting me. So I'm about to drop that off and see where this vlog takes us. Okay guys, thank you. So in Brooklyn, and what should take me 35 minutes to get to my destination is taking me quite a journey, because there's so much traffic on the road, and every food place you look, there's like this huge line. Like, it's ridiculous. Like, Queens isn't this crowded. This is why I do not like coming to Brooklyn at all. I don't like coming to Brooklyn. It's like a once in a blue moon type of thing. But being that I'm delivering to my friend, I'm like, let me just come, say hi, visit, whatever. And this long line is ridiculous. Sheesh. Oh my god. So I'm convinced that people in Brooklyn cannot drive. I swear to you, like, I'm at turn, and to make my right turn, I'm in the excuse me, the right lane, and the guy is coming out and he's on my side, and it's a one-way. I'm like, what? And he's heading to me. Like, what is going on? Like, I hate anywhere out of Queens. I hate leaving Queens, because I feel like once you pass, like, going to Brooklyn and Bronx, they don't know how to drive, they don't know how to operate a car. I'm just like, ugh, WTF. Anyways, guys, I just dropped off. I couldn't even stay to hang out with my friend because the traffic and everything that's in Brooklyn. Like, I'm not really sure if anyone know that we should be in quarantine in Brooklyn. It's like everybody is out, you know? So I'm headed back to Queens, and Queens. I'm gonna pick up some dinner and then head home. Yeah, I'm heading home, and then I can't wait to go home. I just love Queens. You know, no shade, Brooklyn, but it's like Queens is better. Oh boy. I have to be careful when I'm driving because they have these signs that says the speed limit is 25. If you go over a certain amount, that light flash, you get a ticket, and they have them a lot in Brooklyn, and I could see why, because there's a lot of crazies driving over here. Heading on the highway. I just want to try and be able to put out content for you guys. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, this is not just going to be a channel about, but I've already said this before, but this is not gonna only be a channel about flight attendant stuff. Like, there's so many like large, wide variety of things that I want to do on this channel. Like, I love to travel, and I love to vlog. I love vlogging. It's just really cool. So I just want to take you guys on a journey within my life, work life, and day-to-day lifestyle life. You know, that's what I want to do. So I know some of you guys might follow me just because of my flight attendant videos, but don't worry, there's more that's gonna come. I have a trip next week, so I want to vlog for you guys, and I'm really trying to be a little bit more consistent on my channel and not leave it for so long, because I could have been so much bigger on this channel. Like, I could be,
use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Pennsylvania
let me listen
Avenue.
to my thing. But I could have been so much bigger on my channel, but because I haven't been so consistent, I haven't had much followers. But I'm trying to get to 1K. I'm really trying to get to 1K and then go from there. So that's my goal for now, to get to 1K. I know if I keep putting out more content, I know I'll get there eventually. So yeah, I've been on this YouTube thing for a while, but because I keep starting, stopping, you know, it's just messing up some things. But let me get on with driving and focusing on the road, and I'll talk to you guys when I get back into Queens, okay? I just want to show you guys how empty it is in Queens comparing to Brooklyn. I wish I would have gotten a video of how busy it was in Brooklyn as it is in Queens. And I just love Brooklyn, and there was like so much traffic and stuff. I should have taken a footage, but look at Queens. So I just got to Queens, and I'm about to go into the restaurant to get my food. Let me put on my sweater. Let me put you guys right here. Nope. I'm trying to find somewhere to put you guys. Oh, guess not. I don't know where to put you guys. Oh, my mask. I forgot my mask in the car, so I have to run back and go get it. Got my food, got some festival and jerk chicken. Gonna have a real Jamaican festive night. So going home. Hopefully I could vlog tomorrow when I go work out at the park. I'm hoping that the rain eases up a bit so that I could vlog for you guys. But yeah, heading home, and then I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, happy Sunday. So I know I should be posting today, but yesterday was a lazy day for me, and I didn't get to edit. And when I got up this morning, I did laundry, grocery shopping, stuff like that. So now I'm back and I'm tired, and I didn't get to finish vlog for you guys. So hopefully today I get in a little footage so I could give you guys. It's Sunday. I'm going to my aunt's house. Her birthday was during the week, so she's having just a little dinner. It's just a little bit of us over for dinner. So I'm heading there now. Yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I'm gonna see if I could vlog there though before I bring you guys inside, and then we'll take it from there. Anyways, let's go. By the way, I know it's Memorial Weekend. Yo, when I went to do laundry, it was so hard for me to like find parking. Even when I went to the, well, not really the grocery store, but when I was leaving the grocery store, there was like so much people trying to get parking and stuff. Anyways, let me get on with my way because I'm supposed to be leaving now. So yeah, let's go. So guys, just got to my aunt's house and going inside. Smell like people cooking up a storm around here. Smells good. Smells so good.
I mean, no, if you load,
The birthday cake.
can't buy a split, much less fee buy a drinks.
I hope you know you're going to my vlog.
Oh.
Birthday girl, how you doing? Yeah. What is she doing?
I don't know.
Come get your mother.
What's going on, YouTubers? How y'all doing today? My name's Giovanni. AKA Z-Cat.
Z-Cash. Uncle, how you doing?
What's poppin'? Monogram, SJ Breezy, you know
I can't. What's so funny?
Gotta show out.
Yeah.
I gotta snap
The
it.
birthday cake.
I gotta snap it.
Are we popping that?
How you doing, birthday girl?
I'm good. I'm chilling.
You look good though. I'm not lying.
I mean, old age, don't.
Yes, you look good. Better than the young girl.
Oh, that's it. Better than the young girl. Then. The old girl look good.
And we got the good old Jamaican black cake.
Wow.
Yes, happy birthday to my mom.
Don't show me.
Wash out here.
Yeah, so we just here waiting to cut cake. I just bleached my cousin here and look. Anyways, we're just here about to cut this cake. So do we sing happy birthday?
Yeah.
Y'all ready?
Easy. You
One,
make sure I get my
two,
bottle, okay?
3. Happy birthday. No? Okay. I don't. Oh, I don't know that.
Yes, you do.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday
To
mommy, auntie. Birthday.
That's some good improvisation.
Yeah.
Where's
Don't touch my shirt.
Let me get the cake.
We in here. And she
get
made
the cake.
some
Are
good
you
beetroot
one?
juice.
Are you 2?
Oh my.
No, I'm 53. Oh, I look
Cornet,
good.
are
Yeah.
you 50? Are you 51?
I'm looking good.
Are you 52? Are you 53?
Are you 21?
Yay!
Bullet. Time to cut up the cake. That's the boomerang? Jana, you're here. Grew up. You sit here that way, that's too.
Yeah, she looks so
Cute, right?
Mm-hmm.
You can cut it down and make it grow high.
Yes, look
I'm
at
back.
this.
I'm cutting the cake. I'm cutting up the cake for everybody to get a slice.
Yum yum in her tum
Do you
tum.
hear me now?
Ready?
I can't. What happened?
Somebody bust the
Let me
champagne.
finish opening. Yes.
Ready?
Happy birthday.
Yay!
Yay. She missed that part. Janice gave me this wine. I gotta taste the first glass. I'm sorry.
How it tastes? Is it good?
It's good.
It's good?
Mm.
Next class.
This rumhead.
My favorite daughter.
Only
It's
daughter
good.
of my dad.
I mean, I feel like that's not.
Oh, she
Take a
got.
little taste. That's it. So you try it.
I've never tasted this before.
Yeah, it's good. The doors make good cake, man.
It does.
This is valid.
Devon, reach
It's
more
good?
glass up there.
I'm
We
good.
gotta
Yeah?
leave our glass. Wait, don't drink it all off. Wait.
Uncle is like, yeah.
Zeke, can you get 2 more glasses?
From where?
Give my mother this. Yeah.
Here you go, Grandma.
Real Bangkok.
And you have a tree right here.
Cheers.
Don't drink it all because you're driving and you ain't gonna be drinking. That's it.
Happy birthday, Arlene. Wish you a happy birthday.
You driving. I'm not.
We're hyper vigilant with you.
Cheers. Do a cheers. Put the glass to the thing.
Cheers, everybody.
Put it to the thing.
Okay. Giovanni, you getting left?
Cheers, Shauna.
I got chairs on without me. I'm over
You
there
can't
watching.
cheers without stuff, Shana. Without Giovanni.
I mean, I'm waiting. I don't know what's taking so long.
So, what am I going? Oh.
Right.
I'm gonna
Enough to
give
wash
you
the glass
the rest.
down. I don't think so.
Yeah, but it took you a while.
Oh, cheers. Wait.
I didn't forget that much.
Here,
This is mine?
This one.
Oh.
Already refilled.
Ready?
Come on, let's go. We gotta put the glass up. Everybody put the glass up.
Clink, 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 clink.
Giovanni, I can't. You mad late. This wine is good.
It is?
It's your peach sparkle tea.
This was my
Ask your
Mother's Day gift.
It's
Ask your mother where
fruity.
she bought it. PJ.
Peach sparkling.
Sparkle teeny.
You see, I don't know how to read. That's bad.
It's tough.
It's
It's
nice.
good, right?
It's fruity. Cheers.
It's nice without being too strong.
You want more, Grandma?
Some more than them back let me get.
You want to listen to my mind? Want to go?
Yes, one more
Cheers.
year on them.
Yes.
Bop, bop.
Yes, Lady A.
53 and still feel like 35.
Get him.
I'll be over tomorrow, love. For another lifting. Memorial Day weekend and your big 53 feeling 35.
Can somebody
But you know they're essential workers and stuff.
So he's attempting to open this.
Big
Right
man
there.
not temp.
Right now?
Sweet bitch. Put the emphasis on the bitch. EVELETH. Everett Road.
Yeah, that was nice.
It's at every
It's
liquor spot
subtle.
or
Huh?
it's at every liquor spot or
I don't know where she got it. I don't really see it in the liquor store. I didn't see it.
Had Henny?
No,
You never drink Hennessy before?
I'm not interested. I'm a wine girl.
First of all, when you go to clubs, you need to be drinking hard liquor, not drinking wine.
I drink
Yeah,
Amaretta sour.
65.
You tried it? If me at 65, you're
I'm like,
70.
yeah, man.
Right. I am actually. By spirit.
Run by the young. Yeah, woman.
Wow.
combination. Yo, you should have seen Grandma in Texas. What?
I could imagine. I could imagine.
Puff cup. What? See Arya? What? Yeah, Grandma. What?
Grandma, take a shot.
What?
Somebody
No,
take
come
a
on.
shot for me. Whoa, whoa.
Take a shot for me.
Grandma, take a shot for everybody.
Yeah.
One gulp.
One go. Oh man.
So guys, just left my aunt's house and driving home now. I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. It's not much, but I hope you enjoy. I tried to vlog for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and okay, let me do that over. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And don't forget, I started a new business called Love Charms, which I sell beautiful statement piece bags for women. So tell a friend to tell a friend, and subscribe down below. We need to hit 1K. We need to build this family. If you're watching and you haven't subscribed yet, why haven't you subscribed when that catch your attention? Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed day.